Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel and today we will discuss about how to install Konica Minolta printer on your computer or the laptop and where to get the drivers for the Konica Minolta printer and how to get download those drivers and once you download how to install those printers on our computer. I will check about these things and this is the link which you need to use to get the download the Konicaminolta drivers, and I will keep this link on your description on this video description, and you can click on the link to get the page. So once you click on that link we will go to the page like this, and once you came to this page, then you can click here and you can select the which printer you are using, which category it will come under, like if you are using the A4 machine or color machine or A3 machine or black and white machine or color machine, or if it is the production machine, it is the production black and white or production color. So if you see the production black and white, you can find all the machines here, like from the very old machines like 920 950 to the latest machine like 6120 6136 or 2100, which is the latest release of the Konica Minolta. Also if you can go to the color printers then you will find also like same like very old printers like 65650 and 6500 to the latest model since the 12,000 14,000 or the 3070 or 4080. So what is the printer you are using? The same printer you can select here. Let's suppose we have a C3080 machine. We can click on that one and press go. Once you press go, then you will find the screen like this on the bottom. Then you can go to driver. Also we have the utilities, also like some of the softwares also available here, the font management, Acro Pro, hot folders, and color management, color manager, Acro Pro color manager. These are the latest softwares which are released by the Konicaminolta. So you can download these one also, but since we are discussing about the drivers, we can go to drivers here. You can get the color center also from here. Then go to driver and click on the print driver, and you can find a screen like this. Then click on download, and once you click on download, even if you see here the different versions of the drivers are available for this particular machine, and this is the very old version which is released on 2018, and 2020 this is the version which is released. So we are installing the latest version. Let's suppose you can click on the download, and once you click download, you need to accept the agreement. Then once you get accept, then you can click on this link. Just you need to click on here to get this file downloaded. This is the driver, and this is the text file for the instructions, and I'm already downloaded this driver, so I will show you on my downloaded folder. If you see here, this is the file which I have downloaded recently only. So this is the zip file. You need to extract the file by right clicking and extract all, and once you extract, you can open the file, and once you open this folder, you can find the files like this. There you can need to go to printer installer, click on this, and you can press yes. And once you press yes, it will ask you to go give the next. Then it will ask you the IP address of the printer. You need to have the IP address of the printer, and if you don't know the IP address of the printer, and just go to the machine and click the utility or counter button, and once you click the utility or counter, you will click the administrator button. Administrator on the screen right side we have the administrator settings. Go to administrator settings, then go to network settings, and the network settings, then go to machine NIC settings. The network NIC settings will be there. Go to network NIC settings. There you can find IPv4 settings. Then by clicking on that one, you can able to see the IPv4 address of the printer. So once you get the IPv4 address of the printer, you can enter here. Let's suppose your IP address of the printer 192.168.29.10. Let's suppose this is your IP address of the printer 29.10. Let's suppose this is the printer. Then go to next. Since I am not connected to the printer, it take a little bit time, or else it will select the printer. So like we are installing the 3080 driver, you can select the 3080, then press next. I'm already, this driver is installed on my computer, so it's saying the do you want to keep existing or recommended, whichever is better. Like if you want to replace, you can replace, or if you want to keep this existing driver, you can use, but better you can replace the driver since we are downloading the latest version. Then press next, and this is for the duplex printing, like the back-to-back printing. Our printer will support the back-to-back, so you can keep it on. If you are keeping it off, you cannot print the duplex prints, it will print only the simplex. Then press next, then finish. Once you finish it one, the printer got installed on your computer. And now if IP address of your printer and your laptop IP address are both in same network, you can able to print that one. Let me see that one also. You can go to start and type printer and then select the printers, and this is the printer which I has installed right now. So you can go there and go to manage, go to the printer properties. In the printer properties, you can go to the ports, in the ports, and you can click on the port which you have added now, that will be selected. You can configure port and see this is the IP address which we think that this machine IP address. Let's suppose in future your IP address got changed, then you can come here and you can change the IP address of the printer. Let's suppose now our printer is 10, and tomorrow if it is become 20, then we can change it to 20 and press it OK. Then the IP address will be changed for the in the print driver. So that IP address you need to change inside the printer, then only you can change it here. And what the printer IP address is there, same should be here, then only this print driver will communicate with the machine. If the printer IP address and here the IP address are not same, then though these will not communicate, and this port name may not be the problem because the port name will take only once, but the printer IP address will be matched with the IP address inside the machine. And the port number always will be 9100. No need to think about this one, so we can keep it as default. Once you press OK, then you can close. And if you go to the printing preferences here, it may take little time, so you need to be patient. It will open little time for all the time. Yeah, see, this is the printing preferences, and this is how the print driver will open whenever giving the print control P or your print command. There, here you can go to the paper and you need to press the acquire tray paper data. Since I'm not connected to the printer right now, so I will get the into mark here, but if you are connected to the printer and configured properly, then you will get the tick mark, right, green color right tick mark. So once you get that right tick mark, then your print driver and your computer is ready to give the prints. And if it is getting the into mark, which means your IP address of your local computer or IP address of the printer or the network cable may be the issue. Based on that one, we will get this issue. To check that one, you can open the Windows or run command. If you press Windows and R, you will open run. Then you can press CMD command. Once you press command, then you will open one black screen like this. Then you can type ipconfig. Press enter. Once you press enter, you will find your IPv4 address of your local computer. See, my IP address 192.168.29.207, and my for the printer I was given 192.168.29.20. So both are in the same. See, this is the 192.168.29.207 and 192.168.29. Last digit will be changed. This only need to change. Rest all should be the same. Then only your printer will communicate with the local computer. If that IP address is not same, this first three portion of the IP address, then your IP address, then your local computer will not communicate with the printer. So you need to be take care. Also, the subnet mask, you need to keep the same subnet mask what you are using your computer. Also, if your computer have the default gateway, but suggested you to please give the same gateway. If you are changing the gateway, that time also it will change. In these settings should be done inside the machine, not on the driver. On the driver part, we only give the IP address only, but the subnet mask and the default gateway we need to give inside the machine. I will try to keep one video how to change the IP address on the printer, and I will keep it on my channel, and you will be able to find that one. And please do like, share and subscribe to my channel to get the more and more updates like this. And if you have any doubts on the machine, and if you have any doubts on the same, then you can comment on the below, then I will try to get back you people on the same. And once I get this, if you find any difficulties on your Konica Minolta machine, or if you need any support on the Konica Minolta, you can keep a message on the comment box, and I will get back to you once I see in the same message. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get the more and more updates like this. Thank you.